In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete purchase history on eBay. While eBay doesn't allow you to completely erase your purchase history, I'll guide you through the process of archiving or hiding your past purchases to make them less visible. Let's get started on managing your eBay account a little more effectively. Firstly, you'll want to fire up your web browser and head straight over to the eBay homepage, which is a great starting point for any task on the platform. From there, look towards the top of the page and find the sign in option. Give that a click. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll need to do so now to access the necessary features. Once you hit the sign in button, you'll be prompted to either enter your password or, for those using enhanced security, sign in with a passkey. Choose whichever method suits your preference or your existing setup, ensuring your account is secure before proceeding. With successful sign-in completed, turn your attention to the account settings link. You'll find it at the upper right corner of the page, typically represented by an icon resembling a person or a drop-down menu. This section is where you'll find a host of options to customize and manage your account, including your purchase history. Once inside your account settings, look for the Activity tab. This section offers a comprehensive view of your interactions on eBay, from selling to purchasing and more. By clicking on Activity, you'll get one step closer to handling your purchase history. Under the Activity section, you will see Purchases. Clicking on this will take you to your purchase history page. Here, you can view all the items you've bought over time. Now, eBay doesn't actually allow you to delete your purchase history altogether, but don't worry, there's still a way to clean things up a bit. What you can do is hide or archive items. This doesn't remove them from eBay's records, but it will make them less visible to you when you view your purchase history. To archive an item, simply select the items you're interested in concealing and use the available option to archive them. Alternatively, there's usually an option to hide them from view on your main purchase history page, and there you have it. Although your purchase history remains intact on eBay servers, making use of the archive or hide features can help reduce clutter and maintain some privacy. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on managing your eBay purchase history. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating your favorite online platforms. See you next time.